Hello folks, we're back with more Revit training. Today exercise, I had a question from one of my subscribers about the curtain walls and placing the door, and her name is, I think it's a lady, or the email was dptalk9816. So you mentioned about couldn't get to see the door swing in the plan view. Okay, so let's just walk through this. Okay, sorry about that. It's another project going on. So we go on our plan view here, and there's our curtain walls, and basically that's happens from here. You go into the wall command. Everybody should know this. Architectural wall, and then I got a storefront here. But when you look here, you have all your wall types, and then right on the bottom you have these curtain wall glazing, curtain wall 1 that's created. So now I'm going to go back into my 3D view here. Now let's say we want to place a door here. So what we need to do, we need to unpin this and literally delete it. And I think that might be good enough, and then we'll go here, and what has to happen, this has to be unpinned so we can change it. So I'll unpin that, and then I'll go into my properties, and what you don't see, you want to load the family here. Now, okay, this is 2023, and I'm going to show you something here. You want to do an insert here, and you want to load this family from here, from on the cloud, and for some reason this doesn't work well. What didn't work well for me, if anybody else can figure it out, let me know. So there's a double curtain door, and if I load it in here, I literally can't find it, or it won't come in. So what I have done here, I have a lower version of Revit on my computer, and I took the families out because they're easily inserted this way. So I'm going to just close this, and then I've got my door here, so I'm going to go and find that, and then I'm going to go into edit type, and here I want to duplicate this. No, I want to load here. Just hit the top one, load, and then there are all my doors. And so I'm going to go with the single. First of all, let's go with the single. It's upgrading to 2023. I'll say OK. And then there's my door. And I'll go into the find view. And there's our door. Now let's go look at the plan view here. And it's shown in the plan view as well. And you can adjust it just like any other door. Now I'm going to go and let's look at another door type. Oops, sorry, wrong one again. My bad. 3D view. And let's do something. I tell you, let's just do a double door. So we can go here. Let's do it over here. So I'm going to go and tab here. Grab that one. Nope. Grab this mullion or this frame here if I can get it. We're going to unpin this and delete it, and then we want to grab this. We want to tab to this. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Let's do this. Let's make a double door here, or we can just do it here. Or we can make an adjustment here with the mullions. We can do a lot of different things, but I just want to show you this quickly here. Then, sorry about that. So what I want to do, I want to tab to this door. You got it. Unpin it. And then here we want to go to edit type. And then I'm going to load my double curtain wall door. It should fit in there. It's upgrading. Okay. And so there's a double door. And then if we go into plan view, you should see it there as well. And you do. And this is either on find So I don't know why you didn't see it there in your drawing, in your model, but that's basically how you do it. So thanks DPT Talk for watching my videos. Really appreciate it. And if you have any more questions, I'll be happy to help you if I can. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Folks, it helps me make videos like this all the time. And again, if you have questions, please feel free. We'll help you out if we can. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. Everybody be safe.